Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my new video. और आज guys मैं हूँ सूला वाइनयार्ड में. यस, सूला वाइनयार्ड इन नाशिक. एंड आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं सूला की बहुत बड़ी बॉटल है जो कि मैं पूरी पीने वाला हूँ. So guys, I'm gonna explore the Sula Vineyard. Stay with me. So let's go.
Name is Sula. So Sula's journey was started by our founder's name, Mr. Rajiv Samant sir, and we got our Sula as our brand name from his mother name. Her mother name is Sula. You can see the sun over there. So the sun represents the tropical country, that is a warm nation, that is India. The tilak represent on the forehead represents the Sanskriti or the tradition of India, and the moustache represents the pride of India. If you make a sentence or a para out of it, it makes that we are the new wine-making countries and we belong to a tropical nation. With our tradition and with the pride, we are serving for more than 35 countries. That means we are exporting in more than 35 odd countries. So that is what a message symbolically we represent.
Release more and more aromas from the glass.
When you sniff it, what are the first aroma notes? So how to sip this wine? The wine is never gulp. It is being consumed sip by sip. Just try it.
So guys, I am just done with the tasting and the touring session, and I tasted 6 different wines and they explained a lot about wines which I never knew. So I would recommend you guys to come visit and do the tour and tasting session. Now I'm gonna go off, so I'll see you guys in the next one.